Well, today's video is going to be about something that I picked up. Anybody that uses a muzzleloader knows that cleaning them and finding all the stuff can be aggravating. Your breech plug, keeping up with your breech plug, different style wrenches. And if you've got a family like mine, that we've got four CVAs, 3 Thompson centers, and 2 traditions, then it's hard to keep up with everything you need to clean them through the year. Now, Tennessee only has a 2-week season, 2-week muzzleloader season, but there's all kind of WNAs that has options too. And you're always trying to keep up with everything you need. But I have found something, and I've used it on several muzzleloaders, and I'm telling you, I really like this. And I don't talk about products if I don't like them. And I'm not sponsored in any way, but I found this and tried it out, and it is an amazing product. And I will put the link in the description below, right under this video, where you see the title. If you click on it, I'll put you a link to this in here. I'm telling you, this kit is phenomenal. It's made by real Avid, and it has everything you need to take and clean your muzzleloader besides your patches and stuff. So you have the 50 caliber brush, you have 2 coarse brushes, or you have 2 extensions for your brush, you have 2 coarse brushes. But the cool thing that I like the best about this is you have a spanner wrench for multiple styles, like the old Thompson Center Triumphs, or even the Black Diamonds, some of your older CVAs and Knights that take a spanner wrench. This wrench right here covers all of them. Then you have your 12 millimeter, your 11 millimeter, your 2 slotted keys, 2 extensions, and a breaker bar, and your multi-tool, which I'll show more here in a second. And like I said, I do not push any products. I'm not getting paid to do this at all. But I do not push any products I don't believe in. But this one right here is really worth the money, especially if you use as many muzzleloaders as we do. You know, the season's only 2 weeks, but we do shoot, kill, clean, and keep them cleaned up and clean them for the next season. And this does every style muzzleloader we got. 3 different makes and models, and all kind of generation gap difference between them. Inlines up to brake action. So anyway, we'll jump into this, and I'll show you 2 or 3 different muzzleloaders and show you how this works. So like here, this is a Encore 50 caliber Thompson Center. Very good gun. These are very popular. You don't hear much out of Thompson Center anymore, but brake action style muzzleloader. But this one, it has the ejector, you know, the little ejector clip you just move to the side, but it is actually a 10 millimeter socket, so you have to get a ratchet and get real close. Okay, with this kit, all you need is your breaker bar, 1 extension. I like to put 2 extensions on. 2 extensions, and a 10 millimeter. Then all I have to do is put it in a vise on there and break it loose. You have no chance of hitting your scope. It gets you far enough away, because that's what's always was dangerous with these style, or I felt like was dangerous with these style muzzleloaders, is just trying to get the breech plug out and worried to death about knocking your scope off trying to get it out. And as you can see, pull the breech plug out just fine. So I'll show you on a different muzzleloader. Like I said, this is a Thompson Center Encore, so we'll go to the next muzzleloader. Now this is my muzzleloader. It's a CVA Optima V2. Same style principle, brake action barrel. But it has the slotted, same way as the Wolves and different ones, it has the slot right there for a key to fit it. And you have to keep up that key, or you can't get this thing out if you get it tight. But this kit comes with 2 different side straight keys. These are the slotted keys. Find the one that fits your muzzleloader. This one fits right in that groove, perfect. Put this on, put it in a vise, and break it loose. It will bring any breech plug out. And then, like this one's already clean, I'm fixing to clean that Encore. So I'll tighten it back up, and that one's ready to go. And while we're looking at them, I'll go ahead and get out. This is a Thompson Center Triumph, very popular gun. I used this one from 2009 to 2023, but it's It's a brake action, just trigger guard falls down. Now, as you can see, this one hasn't been used. It's got the old one in it. It is a T-slotted. It has one on both sides. So they don't have a tool for the ratchet for that. But the tool I was telling you to take out nut and different things, it does fit in there. And you're able to short, break it loose, and take it right out. It's a very handy tool setup. You have your 50 caliber brush, 2 extensions to run your brush in. You have 2 one's a very coarse and one's a fine. This will really do good with your breech plug threads. This here is more for cleaning the breech plug. And then you have your multi-tool that takes out different spanner wrenches for different muzzle loaders. You have your 11 millimeter and your 12 millimeter. I said 10 earlier, but I meant 11 and 12, and you have your 2 slotted. So a lot of traditions and different things have this, and this is a lot of CVA. Your 2 extensions in your breaker bar, and then your multi-cleaning tool, which has different scrapers, and like I said, it has the little shovel, and then this side has the wire to help clean with everything. And then this side is another scraper and a smaller scraper. Very, very well made kit. I always like to get a product or something that I think is helpful to me, and I always like to try it first. So I've cleaned 4 muzzleloaders with this kit, and I have a box that I carried around for years with everything I needed in it, patches, you know, season patches, everything I need is in this box. But this is a good field kit, and this is a good cleaning kit if you want to leave it there at the house or you want to take it to the field with you. So check this out. I'll put the description. I'll put the link in the description below. Grab you one of these. It should last you a long time and fit all the muzzle loaders in your family, because if your family's like us, we got 5 or 6. But as always, I appreciate you watching. God bless. Let me know what you think about this. See you.